Hi guys, welcome to the How to Guide Explainer video for B-cube. This video will help you set up your B-cube account and get started. Step 1. Select your preferred exchange. We recommend Binance, but you can pick based on your preferences and requirements. Don't forget to check local regulations, as some countries may have certain restrictions on some crypto exchanges. If required, use a VPN. For this video, we will focus on working with Binance. To create an account on Binance, do check out these resources. A link to this checklist should be somewhere in the video description. Once you are done creating an account on Binance, you need to add your first deposit, which is required for creating an API key. This API key is needed for integration. For more on how to add your first deposit, do check out this link in the checklist. Also, if direct deposits are not working, you can try something like P2P trading. Also, if you're using P2P, you may also want to look at the payment methods that are popular in your area. For example, in India, a lot of people use Google Pay as their preferred payment method. So it's easier to find local traders for P2P trading. Once you have your first deposit, you can then move ahead and create your API key. To add your first API key, go to your dashboard, click on Account, go to API Management, click on Create API, click on System Generated, and then go to Next. Provide a label for the API key, which can be something like API key for bcube or something on the similar lines. Click on Next. Now, this will require a two-factor authentication in order to proceed. Once you have finished your two-factor authentication, you should be able to see your API key and your secret key. Click on Edit Restrictions and then click on Restrict Access. Now copy all these IP addresses and paste them here. Enable spot and margin trading. Click on Save. This will again require you to complete a two-factor authentication. To finish integration, you need to add your API key to your bcube account. Click here and go to Exchange Account. Click on Add Exchange Account. Select the exchange that you want to connect. In our case, it is Binance. Enter your exchange account name. This is the name by which you have that exchange account. In our case, the Binance account. Next, you enter your public key, the secret key, and then click on Test. Once you have this verified, you can click on Add. This concludes your exchange integration. Next, you need to enable two-factor authentication. For this, you can use any authenticator app, but we recommend Google Authenticator. To enable two-factor authentication, click here, go to settings, click on security, click on enable. This will basically give you a QR code that you need to scan using your authenticator app. We recommend using Google Authenticator. Once you scan this using your authenticator app, you'll get a verification code that you need to enter. Save your recovery codes and then click on done. Once you are done with it, you'll get redirected to B-cube dashboard, and this concludes enabling two-factor authentication. Next, pick an agent based on your needs and resources. To do that, go to Marketplace. Here you'll find different AI agents with past performance data along with the risk. Select your preferred agent, click on Connect, select your exchange account, and click on Connect. Another thing that is important to understand is how to allocate your funds. Allocation is basically based on the deposits that you have on your exchange account. Let's take an example. Let's say you have $10,000 in your exchange account. So allocation basically means how much percentage of that $10,000 would you like to allocate for a particular agent. So it can be like 10% of that, which is like $1,000. It can be 50% of that, which is like $5,000. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks a lot for watching this video. And if you have any doubts, feel free to reach back to us.